I'm Aimee. I've completed an apprenticeship in mechanical engineering in the NPTC group of colleges. Mechanical engineering was my choice of course because not many girls complete engineering apprenticeships. The achievement I'm most proud of was when I won the Apprentice of the Year 2013 for Pathways Training. So I'm currently working in the college, voluntary work, to teach engineering to all students ranging from school up to HNC. I enjoy engineering and I've always wanted to teach, and I think that was the next step after completing my apprenticeship. It is hard work, but it is all worth it in the end. I wouldn't change anything. I've really enjoyed it, and the support I've had from the college has been amazing throughout my apprenticeship and all the way through my PGC as well. I'm hoping to carry on teaching in the college and get a full-time position once I'm qualified with my PGC.